Hey everyone, welcome back to Clash of Compare. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, this video is for you. Today, we're checking out the best affordable floor cleaning robot to make your life a whole lot easier. You can find the product link in the description below. After doing a ton of research and testing, we found the Eufy RoboVac 11S to be the top pick for budget-friendly floor cleaning robots. It's priced around $200 and offers amazing value. Here's what makes it stand out. 1. Slim design. It's only 2.85 inches tall, so it easily gets under furniture. 2. Strong suction. With 1,300 pascals of suction power, it's great at picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. 3. Quiet operation. It's super quiet, so you can run it while you're at home without any annoying noise. 4. Multiple cleaning modes. You get options like auto, spot, and edge cleaning to tackle different areas. 5. Long battery life. It can clean for up to 100 minutes on a single charge. 6. Self-charging. When the battery's low, it automatically returns to its charging base. Now, let's see the Eufy RoboVac 11S in action. Watch how it smoothly navigates around obstacles, switches between hardwood floors and carpets, and tackles dirt and debris with ease. Overall, the Eufy RoboVac 11S is a fantastic choice if you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and user-friendly floor cleaning robot. It offers great performance without breaking the bank, making it a perfect addition to your home. Thanks for watching this episode of Clash of Compare. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech comparisons and reviews. And remember, you can find the product link in the description.